What if I told you you could build a smart chatbot that talks to your customers 24/7 without a single line of AI, without any backend, just HTML, CSS, and a pinch of JavaScript? It sounds impossible, right? But what if I showed you a real example? A working chatbot you can build in one afternoon that responds to clicks, gives prices, and answers shipping questions instantly. No servers, no APIs, no frameworks. This isn't about replacing AI. It's about solving a real problem in a smart way, and it all started with one person, a guy named Esraa. He runs a small tech store, and every day he was drowning in questions. Customers messaging, "How much is this mouse? Do you deliver to Alexandria? Is there a warranty?" It was nonstop, and it was eating his time. So he tried something different. He built a mini chatbot, just for his own shop. And what happened next surprised even him. Esraa had a tough choice to make. Should he dive deep into learning AI and backend development, spending weeks, maybe months, or keep it simple and just test his idea quickly? He chose the smart route. Using just the skills he already had, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, he built a functional chatbot. No complicated frameworks, no servers, just simple, clean code that does the job. It wasn't about building the most advanced AI bot. It was about solving a real problem. And sometimes, simple is better, because a quick test can save weeks of wasted time. So Esraa started coding. He knew this was just the beginning, but it was a great start. This smart decision set the foundation for everything that followed. This chatbot saved Esraa hours every day. Instead of replying dozens of repetitive questions, customers got instant answers. This improved customer satisfaction. Sales increased, and Esraa finally had time to focus on growing his business. The best part? He built it in one afternoon, without complex tools or expensive services. This simple approach proves you don't need to be an expert to create something useful and impactful. Want to build your own chatbot? It's easier than you think. The full source code is available on GitHub. You can copy it, tweak it, and customize it however you like. No complex setup, no costly servers, just simple files that run right in your browser. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. So why wait? Check it out today and start building your own smart chatbot. Remember, you don't need to be an AI expert. You don't need a big team or fancy tools. All you need is an idea and the courage to start. If you like this video, please leave a comment below. Hit the like button, share with a friend who might benefit, and subscribe for more simple, smart projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next